10 easy ways to detox your lymphatic system and balance your hormones. Feeling sick or tired may point towards an issue with your lymphatic system. You can help correct this issue, however, by performing a lymphatic system detox. The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste and other unwanted materials to keep you healthy. Its primary function is to transport lymph fluid throughout the body, fluid containing white blood cells that fight infection. The lymph system is a vital part of the immune system. If you find yourself constantly feeling sluggish, sick, or simply off, it may be a sign that your lymphatic system needs a cleansing. Follow these 10 steps to improve a sluggish lymph system. 1. Exercise. Exercise, of course, is great for your health generally speaking. Regular exercise stimulates the circulation of blood flow in the body and keeps the lymph system flowing smoothly. However, there are certain types of exercises that are particularly helpful for correcting a sluggish lymphatic system. Jumping on a trampoline or jumping rope is believed to be especially beneficial for massaging the lymph system. 2. Drink lemon water. Lymph is made up of about 95% water, so drinking plenty of water is essential to keeping things running smoothly. Without adequate water, lymphatic fluid cannot flow properly, causing congestion or dehydration. Lemon adds an alkaline property to water which helps supply the body with minerals. Lemon water is also great for digestion, joint healing, liver health, and for treating depression and anxiety. 3. Eat the right foods. Avoid processed foods. Ideally, you should aim to do this all the time, not just when your lymphatic system needs a boost. Processed foods do your body no favors. And artificial sweeteners, sugar and preservatives put a strain on your lymphatic system and can lead to congestion. Natural foods full of vitamins and minerals will help cleanse your body. Fruits, vegetables, flaxseed oil, spirulina, walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts and avocados are healthy food sources that provide important vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and other essential nutrients to keep the lymph flowing properly. 4. Try dry brushing. This may sound strange or foreign to you, but it's a practice that has worked for many people who have dealt with a sluggish lymph system. And it's gaining more popularity in many circles. Dry brushing your skin can improve lymph flow and give the lymphatic system a boost. Before taking a shower, dry brush your skin with long strokes in an upward motion for about 5 minutes. 5. Drink herbal teas. Many herbs have a long history of use as natural medicine. Herbs such as echinacea, golden seal, red clover, pokeroot, astragalus and wild indigo root can be used to combat illness and keep the body healthy. Furthermore, they taste great and are an excellent alternative to sugary sodas or other unhealthy beverages. If you are pregnant or on any medication, however, consult a physician before consuming an herbal tea. 6. Wear loose clothing. Wearing tight clothing for long periods of time can slow down lymph flow and cause blockages. Not to mention it can be incredibly uncomfortable. There are some who like to wear clothes that conform to and flatter the shape of their body. It's okay to do for a short period during the day, but for the sake of your lymph system, you should aim to wear more loosely fitting clothes for most of the day. This doesn't mean, however, that you have to dress frumpy. If the clothes fit properly and don't constrict, it's probably okay. Use good judgment and be sensible. Still, make sure to wear loose clothing or clothing that fits properly so your body has room to breathe. 7. Alternate shower water. Alternating shower water temperature from hot to cold for several minutes has a beneficial effect on your blood flow and lymph flow. The heat causes vessels to dilate while the cold makes them contract. It can be difficult to get used to changing from one end of the temperature spectrum to another, of course. However, once you get used to it, you may find the experience to be quite invigorating. This therapy is not recommended for pregnant women, or for those struggling with a heart or blood pressure condition. 8. Avoid beauty products containing chemicals. Quite often, we don't think about what we put on our bodies as much as we think about what we're putting into it. It's one thing to change your diet and exercise to improve your lymph system, but there are other culprits to consider, as well. For example, most lotions, Soaps, creams, sunscreens, deodorants, perfumes and other popular beauty products contain harmful chemicals that can seep through the skin into the lymphatic system. Always opt for natural, organic products that are free of chemicals or questionable ingredients. You can also make your own safe, chemical-free versions at home. Once you start using more natural, safer products, you may start to notice a difference in how you feel. This is especially true if you had a hidden allergy to any of your conventional beauty products. And your lymph system will thank you, too. 9. Deep breathing. As simple as it sounds, deep breathing exercises can stimulate lymph flow to avoid a buildup of toxins in the body. Keep fresh air and plenty of oxygen moving to your cells. You can do this at work, when you're driving, or anywhere else. Aim to do it several times a day. You'll reap other benefits from doing this, as well, such as feeling more relaxed and calm. You can use it as a form of mini meditation to help you center yourself, all while improving your lymph system. 10. Alternative therapies. Acupuncture can effectively stimulate blood flow, as well as a lymph drainage that stimulates circulation to remove toxins from the cells. Saunas or steam baths can also help the body release toxins through sweat and cleanse your system.